We have word 1, which ABC. Word 2 is QPR. The output would be APBQCR. So you're alternating it based on even or odd. So you start with A, then P, then B, then Q, then C, then R. This can be solved using two pointer. In this example, you have this two string A, B, C, and Q, P, R. So you have pointer I, and then you have pointer J. So you start word with A, right? If it's odd, so basically you just get A, and then you put Q, and then you put B, and you put P, and put C, and then you put R. So we mentioned this is solved by two pointers. You have to I equals J equals 0. Q loop through both while I is less than the length of word 1 and J is less than the length of word 2. You have a result here for S, just blank. And then you have the boolean V flag equals false. So initially we just switch it left and right. So if flag is true, then you assert from I res that append I, then you switch the flag to false, and then else res that append J. Flag equals true. So you have an extra thing here because you're joining I and J. So if there's an extra thing after I or J, you should append it. So in this case, this equals 1, J plus equals 1. So you can append it by using slice in Python. So res that extend word 1 slice from I until the end, and then same thing here, extend word 2 J until the end. So the output would be str. So return, it's a string, so you need to join this thing using join res. Then we can try to run it. So J, okay, caps should be small. I said it's appending int. Oh, because we're appending the word, should be word I, word 2 J. There you go. Okay, that's it. So this is how you solve this problem. If you like this video, please hit like and subscribe, and we'll see you again in the next LeetCode challenge. Thank you for watching.